What's up, you guys? This is my first time picking up the camera and talking to you all today. I've been cooking, getting ready because let me take this out. Can't hear myself. My best friends from elementary and high school are coming over to our house. I just moved back to North Carolina in March, so we haven't been able to all come together in a long time. The last time was my best friend's wedding in January, but before then it was probably shortly after we got out of high school. So I'm getting ready. I decided I would talk to you guys while I get ready before they get here. I'm trying to vlog this whole experience. Vlogging, I have not done that before, so we will see how this video turns out. I'm gonna put on a wig today. Excuse the look. But yeah, I'm putting on a wig, so I think that's all I had to talk to you guys about. So I just let y'all watch while I put my wig on. All right. So I installed my wig. This is what it's looking like. I'm letting this sit to make sure the glue sets, because I tried to do this glue last week and it was epic fail. So I'm gonna try to give the glue a little bit longer to set. But I wanted to show you guys my food. Hold on. So this is my collards. They look so good, and they are good. I tasted them. And then here are my candied yams. They're good also. That's my food, the collard greens and the candied yams. I have a friend bringing macaroni and cheese and strawberry yum yum cake. I have a friend bringing neck bones and rice, and then the other one's bringing the bread and the drinks. So I cannot wait to eat. I have not eaten all day, so I'm going to devour this. It's some on my eyelash. Let me get that. I'll talk to y'all later. Camera on. Okay, Gavin. So Special says that she is not popular.
Oh, she tried that at the baby shower. Now I already fixed that.
Right. What do you say, Leah? It was Special popular in high school?
Very popular in high school.
I was not.
Yes, she was still popular.
I definitely am not still popular.
Yes, you are still popular. You got how many subscribers in
4.7 thousand on YouTube, and
That is not popular.
Yeah, yes it is, because you don't know them people and they just follow
They're
you.
interested in your life.
Mm-hmm.
They don't like me.
You can't remember anything. Okay, it's my turn. Okay. Let me know when I start.
Let me see. Sorry, it didn't make me a heart.
It's my turn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this was a show with one of the Wayans brothers. You and I used to talk about Blinky Goose.
Oh, Mama Cookies. Oh, never mind.
Oh.
What is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't think of it. I did something.
This was a Tyler Perry movie about about this single dad that had 3 little girls. This is a movie with Denzel. I never played this. With Denzel, he was mad.
Training Day.
Because his son didn't get it's another part of
John
it.
Q.
This is a movie with T.I. and
I about to say Roller Bounce.
It's another Tyler Perry movie that features a bunch of couples. And
Why they get married? Me and cheated.
No.
That last one.
Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. It is Sunday. It's the next day. My friends left yesterday evening, early evening. I had to clean up and prepare for church today, get my clothes out and get my daughter's clothes out. So after that, I ate and went to sleep, so I didn't come back on camera. But yeah, it's Sunday morning and I am getting ready for church. I'm getting ready for church. We go to church that's about 30 minutes or so away from where we live. My grandfathers and my grandmother are the pastors, the senior pastors of that church. My parents are associate pastors at that church. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. I decided I would make this into a weekend vlog instead of just the girls' day vlog. Don't know how much footage I'm gonna get in church because a lot of people don't really like to be on camera in church. So I don't know how much y'all get, but I'll try to record as much as possible. So see y'all later. Look who is up. She is up and ready for breakfast. So let's go get her. Good morning. Hey. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. How are you this morning? How are you? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well, mommy? Say good morning. You say good morning? Say good morning. Yeah. What's wrong? Sitting out here during church. Yeah. She has to have her snack. Yeah. You gonna say hi to mommy's vlog, her YouTube channel? Say hi. Say hi. My pretty girl.
What's up, everybody? This is your boy Armand, aka Buddy Love.
Oh my goodness, he's being silly. As you can see, we are comfortable. We chilling. Blair is
fussy, whiny.
Oh yes, whiny. Her molars are coming in. Plus, she had a long day at church today, so she took a nap and we woke up early so she could sleep tonight. And she's been mad at us ever since. But I want to get back on camera, let you guys see my handsome husband.
Hey,
I have to
y'all.
give y'all the story on how we met. But let's introduce him to the
Your
YouTube.
channel.
Right, I talk about you, but so they have seen
see.
you
Have
on
they?
the pregnancy reaction.
Oh, I was a little bit.
I
mad
forgot
at
I,
that. So,
I
you know,
forgot I
it's a
did
different
that.
face now.
But yeah. And then Miss Blair, you seen her a little bit this weekend. Excuse her hair, y'all.
She home. She chilling. So
Yeah, I had some clips that I took throughout today, so hopefully I've already inserted those. But I think we're gonna call it a night. And I hope you guys, you all right?
what you doing?
I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you do, let me know, and I'll try to do more vlogs. But yeah. Ooh.
What was that?
Good night, y'all. Bye.